So, good day, sir. So, this is my Cisco Packet Tracer for the NET101. So, let's start with the wireless router. So, search for the wireless router. So this is our wireless router. So here we can see wireless router. Here, let's put some end devices like PC, laptop. So here, PC, laptop, and let's do a smartphone. CP. So space it 4 times. There. Let's just do it here at top, so it can be so let's add a tablet too. So let's do it in the middle. Let's do it in the middle one. There. Clean. There. Let's customize it. So iPhone. Downloads. Next. So tablet is tablet. Browser is iPhone. Let's do the Vivo. PC. Customize the PC we have here. So the PC, the laptop, so as you can see, the PC and the laptop is not yet wireless, so we can fix that by clicking it, PC3. So here in the physical device view, let's turn off the PC by pressing this button, red. So let's remove the Ethernet port. So we will be using the WMP 300N. So WMP is a 2.4 GHz wireless interface suitable for connection to wireless networks. So it means the WMP 300 is a wireless. It can connect to a wireless network. So here, let's turn it on again. So let's wait and it will connect. So same goes to the laptop. Let's turn it off, remove the Ethernet, and the laptop is called the WPC 300 if you will using the wireless. So here, let's drag it here and let's turn it on. So as you can see that it's turned on, but here on it's not working, like the wireless router is not working with the browser. So the browser is not properly working. So let's have an internet and a main router so that the wireless router can be used as a wireless router indeed. So it can use the internet. So we will be using a server as a internet. So here, internet. So internet. So here, let's do a router. Any router can do as long as it has a gigabit. So I picked 2911. So this is our main router. Here, let's browse it. Main router. There. So now we will connect it by copper straight through. So fast Ethernet. So this is what I was mentioned. So gigabit Ethernet. So as long as it has a gigabit internet, it can connect into internet. So here, let's connect it here, 01 to the wireless network to internet. So there. So as you can see, it's all connected. So here in the internet, so configure desktop. Here, let's configure the internet. So IP address of the internet will be 8.8.8. Subnet is 255.255. So 8.1. The default gateway will be 8.8.8.1. So that's the default gateway. So that's done for the internet, and let's go to the main router. So let's configure. Let's go to CLI. So let's return, enable it. So we will be enabling it. So interface configure. So configure interface. Configure it. So here's it's translating it. So let's configure it here. So the Ethernet port is 8888 there, 255. Wait, one. So this is the internet's default gateway. So the 8.8.8.1. So here the gigabit Ethernet. So this is the configure of the wireless router. So we will be using 192.168.1.1.255.255. So there, it's all configured. So as you can see, it's not yet there. No shut there, and let's do it again here. So T1. So let's go here. No shut down. So there, you can see it's all green. So it's now ready to go to the wireless router, and let's configure it. So configure the router. So GUI, can go to static IP. So 192.168.1.2. So this is the IP address of our wireless router. So 192.168.1.1. So this is the default gateway of the main router. So here is the DNS of, so this our DNS dot IP address of the internet. So this is the DNS. Here, let's save it. So let's go to the wireless. Let's have a name, my home Wi-Fi. So there, let's save it. There, as you can see, it's not all connected. So let's configure it out. So my home Wi-Fi. So let's copy this. As you can see, it will be connected there. So let's do it all there. Configure this all. So default configure configure that. So let's copy and paste there. So as you can see, it's all connected to the wireless router. So let's try the web browser of the internet. So let's try 8.8.8, go. You can see that it's working. So this is the internet. So we can see the image page. Let's go back. Image. So go back. A small page. Back at copyrights. So there, we can see that it's all working. So let's try it in another at another device. So web browser again. So 8.8.8, let's go, and small page there. So this is our home Wi-Fi, home router Wi-Fi here and Cisco packet tracer. So that's all, sir. Thank you, sir, for listening, and goodbye, sir.